When we were on a lookout for Ashiana for ourselves, I saw many projects, not only in and around North India, we also went till Pune. So I was as such very disappointed with many such, site visits. Somebody brought out the Trident Realty project, and my husband mentioned that let's go and see the project. When we reached here, we saw the surrounding, we sat in the cafe, thought over it. So everything was matching, whatever was, in our minds. It was on the ground when they showed us that 3D model. But also the name, Trident Hills, because I am God Shiva's devotee. So Trident was, as if sent for me only.
But when our daughter and son came to see this house, both are adventure, both are marathon runners. So they said nothing could be better. And because we are staying in DLF, so they used to go for like as and when they have come on a holiday. So they have gone for a little run that side, a little bit of pecking and all that stuff. So I think this was the first thoughts which my family had. Though I'm an army man, but I'm an engineer too. The technicalities which this project is, I think, going details, the kind of safety procedures you are following. No child worker there. I think I've yet to come across many projects where all these things are followed to the teeth. And I mean it when I'm saying, it's been really, really encouraging. This is what I had reserved actually when she said, you don't choose a house and the house chooses you. This is what was a reaction of my wife actually. It was love at first sight. So it was like that for her. Maybe a dream coming to reality. Being in the army, what we love is openness, hills, water bodies, less of traffic. I think we found everything here.
Location is 10 on 10. It is not very far from the, say, airport or, railway station, and we don't go very often. Accessibility to Himachal, like anytime we just pick up our vehicle and go to Kasauli.
Our accessibility to our own army cantonment.
Yeah.
Like I play golf. I go to Panchkula Golf Club. I go to my golf course here. You wouldn't believe it, more than 10 of my colleagues have bought the properties in Trident Hills.
And there's one friend of his who has not even seen the property, and he's on phone call. He's booked 2 of them. Trident Realty is the vision of S.K. Narwin, and he's developed this project with a lot of passion and precision to the T, and also the way it is coming up. The delivery, I think, will be given in the time they have told us. And the pride with which they are delivering the entire project is great.